Hey guys, so I'm back at the thrift store and I was determined to buy a jewelry bag today to go through with you guys and put some stuff on Mercari and Poshmark. But I think I'm going to give up when it comes to this thrift store. They have makeup bags, all kinds of jewelry bags, but do y'all see that $34.99 and $49.99? I'm going to show y'all. They put all the good stuff in one bag and then made these little cheesy behind $12.99 and $14.99 bags. I did ask her to see some bags, but the stuff that was in there to me, it just wasn't appealing at all. Like, it may be a win-win for somebody else, but there was nothing in there at all. Y'all see there's one full of sunglasses, like if you like glasses. But if you're trying to resell, I'm not trying to keep this stuff. So if you're really trying to find something to resell, like, I don't know. Tell me what y'all think and if I'm over-exaggerating and if y'all see anything that's worth probably reselling in these bags. Because to me, they did a bunch of cheesy bags. And then when you look down there, there's a bag for $49.99 and there's a bag for $39.99. And those two bags have so much good stuff in them. And it's like, why would you pile all the good stuff in one big bag? Like, make a couple of bags and give it some cheesy and some good. I'm probably going to have to try another thrift store to see if I can find some bags. But I don't know. I was very disappointed and I went in determined to walk out with a jewelry bag today. And that did not happen. Some of the stuff in the bags just looked like toys. Just looked like stuff you wouldn't even purchase. The makeup bags looked okay if you're looking for makeup. Sunglasses bag, I guess if you're looking for glasses, you may find a pair you can sell or resell. Trying to think of whatever. Oh, they had a nail polish bag. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's on the bottom. A bag full of different nail polishes. I don't know who makes this stuff up, y'all. I don't. Bag full of nail polishes. But yeah, so I'm having her take this bag out for me. I think this was the $49.99 I'm trying to show y'all. Let me see if this is the one, because I'm re-editing this. This one is $34.99 that I'm trying to show y'all. Yes. Y'all see how they put everything, gold, silver, every brooches, everything in this bag, and it is $49.99. Now, the bag is full. Y'all tell me if I should have got it. Y'all tell me if I should have got it, and I'll splurge on it. But I don't know. It disturbed my mental peace how they did these bags. Y'all let me know if y'all can see.